Welcome to the Mathematics at my channel. In this video we are going to evaluate another interesting integral from 0 to pi over 2 dx over cosine of x over 2 times cosine of x over 4 times cosine of x over 8, so on. Okay, now we know in the denominator we have infinite series, so I'm going to take this integral is equal to I, and we can write this integral is equal to 0 to pi over 2 dx over here product n is equal 1 to infinity cosine of x over 2 raised to the n. Okay, we know this is very famous product. I think you know about. Anyway, we can evaluate this product in here. So I'm going to start with sine of x. So we can write sine of x is equal to double angle formula 2 times sine of x over 2 cosine of x over 2. Now I am going to again double angle formula for sine of x over 2. So 2 square sine of x over 4 cosine of x over 4, here cosine of x over 2. Okay, then if we use double angle formula again, so here we know sine of x over 8 cosine of x over 8 cosine of x over 4 cosine of x over 2. Okay, then here we have a pattern, and if we take one term, so we can write sine of x is equal to 2 raised to the n. Here sine of x over 2, x over 4, x over 8. So sine of x over 2 raised to the n times, here we have product, so we can use capital Pi. So k is equal 1 to n cosine of x over 2 raised to the k. Okay, then we can isolate this product. So we can write product k is equal 1 to n cosine of x over 2 raised to the k is equal to sine of x over here 2 raised to the n times sine of x over 2 raised to the n. Okay, then I'm going to simplify. So here our product k is equal 1 to n cosine of x over 2 raised to the k is equal to now I'm going to divide by x, so sine of x over x, so we should multiply by also x, here also 2 raised to the n. So we can write x over 2 raised to the n, x over 2 raised to the n times 1 over sine of x over 2 raised to the n. Okay, then okay, I am going to rearrange this like x over 2 raised to the n over sine of x over 2 raised to the n. Okay, now we need to infinite product, but here we have n, so I'm going to apply limit. So limit n approaches to infinity, product k is equal 1 to n cosine of x over 2 raised to the k is equal to sine of x over x, limit n approaches to infinity x over 2 raised to the n over sine of x over 2 raised to the n. Then I am going to take a substitution. So we can take u is equal to x over 2 raised to the n. Then we can write here product k is equal 1 to infinity cosine of x over 2 raised to the k sine of x over x times, now limit we know in approaches to 0, here u over sine of u. Now we know this is equal to 1, so we have another interesting formula for this product. X over 2 raised to the k is equal to sine of x over x. Okay, then we can write our integral I is equal to 0 to pi over 2 dx over our product, this product we know sine of x over x, then 0 to pi over 2 x over sine of x dx. Now we have another interesting integral, and we evaluated this integral in a previous video. So we know this integral is equal to 2 times g. So the answer is 2 times g. G we know Catalan's constant. So if you like to watch this video, I will add the link in the description. Thank you for watching.